Hi, I'm Mr. V. This video will help you understand how to navigate through Yousician. We'll start from the first time you open the app, and we'll go over all the essential tabs of our platform. Let's begin. Okay, let's start by opening Yousician from the dock of my computer. And since we've downloaded and created an account already, Yousician immediately opens without the need to log in again. This is the first thing we see when we open the app for the first time. Here, you can choose any instrument you want to start exploring Yousician. We're going to choose the guitar for now, but you can always change the instrument in the settings. I'll show you how later. Whenever you open an instrument in Yousician for the first time, you'll see a welcoming video by one of our educators. This is James, our guitar teacher. I'm going to fast forward this video for now so we can get to explore the app more in depth.
First, let's see where you should get started. What's your experience with the guitar?
Now Yousician is asking us about our experience with the instrument. Again, this will happen on every instrument at the very beginning. Answering this question will help Yousician to know you and guide you better throughout your learning journey. Don't worry if you're not sure what to choose. You can always adjust your level after by taking one of our skill tests. When using the guitar, bass, and ukulele for the first time, the next step is to tune our instrument before we start playing. I'm gonna skip this step for now since I know my guitar is in tune and I want to continue showing you more. I'll be posting a video soon on how to use the tuner. Now we're inside the first mission of our syllabus. This is where you want to start if you're a beginner. I'll let you explore this mission on your own, and I'm going to click on the arrow at the top left corner to exit the mission so I can show you the missions tab. This section is very important. The missions is the core of your learning or teaching journey with Yousician. The missions tab on every instrument is different, but it is organized in a similar way. In the guitar, for example, we start at level 0 and we can go up to level 10. When we reach level 1, we take 3 different paths. The lead path teaches everything about playing melodies in the guitar. The knowledge path teaches the theory. And in the rhythm path, we learn how to play bass lines, riffs, and different right-hand techniques, such as strumming and fingerpicking. The missions tab on every instrument is linear. If you're a student, you're required to unlock song after song to complete each mission, and to unlock the next level, you must complete all missions on your current level. Now, for your teacher account, we will unlock all the songs of all the missions in every instrument in your account. That way, you can explore the content freely and be able to choose the teaching material suitable for the level of your students. Why don't we explore the other tabs now? At the top row, we see the Home, Learn, and Challenges tab. The Missions tab is part of the Learn tab. Since we are at the Learn tab already, let's explore the Workouts. Here we can find collections of exercises and resources such as videos, drills, scales, and trainers. Also, we have here these 3 top collections where you'll find all the songs you've played before, but that you still need to collect gold stars and silver stars on them. Since this is a new account and I haven't played anything on it, there is nothing to be displayed here. The Home tab is home for your content. You can access your guided lessons and the instrument missions from the Continue Learning row. The New on Yousician row showcases the latest popular songs available with Premium Plus. Scrolling down, you can find songs you've recently played, the top songs on Yousician, your favorite songs, and collections of songs organized by genre and playing styles. And the last of our main tabs is the Challenges tab. This is the home of our weekly challenge, which is added every Thursday. Now, you might be asking, why do we see a red dot on it? Red dots are a sign that something requires our attention. This means that a new challenge is up and ready to be played. This week's challenge is Feeling Good, uplifting pop hits. Every week we post different versions of a couple of songs that are on 4 different levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Let's click on this level 5 melody to see who's in the leaderboards. So far, Progressive 1 is at the top. Here we can see his score, his level, and we can also go to his profile, but we're not gonna go there since I'll be talking about this topic later. So let's click on the back button at the top left corner to leave the leaderboards of this song, and click again to go back to this week's challenge. The second tab of the Challenges tab is the History tab. Here we can find all the past weekly challenges. Scrolling down through these challenges is an excellent way to find great music to play. At the top right corner of the screen are the tuner, settings, and search tab. With the tuner, you can ensure your guitar, ukulele, and bass stay in tune. If you're having recognition issues, the first step is to check your instrument tuning. I'll be making an exclusive video on how to use the tuner. Let's click on this gear where we can find the game settings, account settings, credits of the makers of Yousician, the support tab where you can connect directly with our support team, and our privacy tab, home for everything related to our policies, notifications, and terms of service. Let's go back to our account settings. Here's where you will need to log out in case you're sharing a device with other people that also have Yousician accounts, like at home or in school. I'm going to log out and log in again, but this time into my personal account so I can show you the last thing I wanted to talk about in this video, the Profile tab. In the top left corner, you find your profile picture and instrument level. Selecting it gives you access to the Activity tab. Here you can view your daily and weekly playing activity. You can also customize your goal for a session. You can either go for stars or choose the length of time you would like to play. The goal can be changed to suit your needs for every session. Selecting your Profile tab allows you to view your progress for the selected instrument. The stats include total playtime as well as the number of notes played so far. You can also view your followers and who you are following. This is the Notifications tab where you receive news from Yousician and your friends' progress. Clicking on the play or take delete buttons will take you to those specific songs. And the last is the Search tab next to the Notifications. It is important not to get confused between the Song Search tab and the Search Friends tab. Here you can find any user to follow and check their profiles. Let's search for our favorite guitar teacher's profile. If you click on this icon, you will be able to follow or unfollow any user. The History tab shows the latest songs your friend has been playing, and the Favorite tab is his favorites. Also, if you click at the top instrument icons, you will be able to see the stats for each one of the instruments that your friend has played. And with that, we conclude the overview of Yousician. I hope this gave you a clear understanding of how to navigate through the app so you can start enjoying our content and get familiar with it. In the next video, we'll dig deeper into the Play engine. We'll learn about the perform and practice modes and how to utilize the gamified aspect of Yousician to deliver the most engaging lessons to your students.